Hello everyone, I'm Fallon from Kawasaki Construction Equipment. Now we are arrived at SANY's factory. SANY is the most famous construction machinery enterprises in China, focusing on the equipment manufacturing industry. Its leading products include concrete machineries and excavating machineries and so on. And many of them are holding large market shares globally or domestically. Today I will introduce you SANY brand excavator. Let's have a look. This is our SANY brand roller excavator model SY75C. This is the most wholesale models in SANY, and the weight of this machine is 7,350 kilograms. Okay, let's see the bucket. The capacity of the bucket is 0.3 cubic meters, and there are many other optional attachments, such as breakers, and so on, to meet different working conditions. And look here, the bottom and arm, the safety explosion wall, which is firm and durable. The cab is designed with convenience and safety. We can have a look. The interior has wide vision, complete direction and comfortable operation, quick button, pilot joystick, and rear camera. Okay, let's see the engine system. The main pump and the main valve are Kawasaki, which is very reliable. It adopts famous ISUZU design engine. Its rated engine power is 55 kilowatt. This is all the information for today. Hope it's useful for you. See you next time.